wings. Now these are the hind limbs and the forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs are used for walking and perching. Okay, let's now talk about snakes. Snakes have a long backbone. They have many thin muscles. They are connected to each other even though they are far from one another. They also interconnect the backbone, ribs and skin. The snake's body curves into many loops. So snake moves forward by forming these kind of loops. Each loop of the snake gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives it this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. Snake never moves in a straight line. It will move by forming these kinds of loop. Each of this loop gives him a forward push. Okay? See how a snake is moving by forming loops. Okay, so we will now talk about fish. The body shape of fish is streamlined. This kind of shape, this kind of shape is called as streamlined shape. The head and the tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body. The body tapers at both the ends. As you can see, this portion, the head and the tail are smaller than the middle portion, and this shape allows the fish to move in water easily. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscles. Now, during swimming, the muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail part swings towards the opposite side. The fish forms a curve. Then quickly, the body and the tail curve to the other side. This makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. What I am trying to say is, firstly, the front part of the body will curve to one side like this and the tail part will curve to another side. Then quickly this front part will curve to the other side and the tail part will curve to another side, and this makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of such jerks make the fish swim ahead. As you can see, first the front part of the fish curves to one side and the tail curves to other side in this direction, right? Now, quickly this part will curve now to this direction and this part will curve now to this direction, and this creates a jerk, and with the help of these series of jerks, the fish moves forward. The fish can swim. Okay? See how fishes are swimming by curving front part in one direction and the tail part in other direction. Alright students, this was all about the chapter body movements. I really hope you enjoyed